friend. This mall is packed pretty much every day. It is Sunday. I'm hungry too, especially when they have fruit the dishes like that. That looks good. What is this? Fan. If you're not a fan, you don't know. What is this? Matcha. It's a matcha shop. Dang. Matcha snack. Matcha cake. NHK character. It's the Curious George is part of NHK characters. Curious George. Japan's Hot Wheel, Tonka Hot Wheel. Similar companies, different companies. Is this only a mall or is it a subway station to both? It's all in one place. This is Tokyo Station. Oh my crazy. There's a huge model here that's moving. I did not know that. Oh my god. They got a huge display shop. Wow. Wow. Alright, I'm a boy. I like this stuff. Colorful. Why don't get lost? We're at First Street. See? Cool store, right? There's so many of them, man. Lots of visitors. Lots and lots of visitors. Click on the link on the top of the chat and join our free Discord chat group. It's free. Continue chatting about your visits to Japan. Get advice from the rest of the Japan lovers. Join our Tokyo Paul group. The invite link is on the top of the chat. Or the Ghibli store. This is the Fuji TV store. Fuji TV station. By the way, yeah, right. Thank you, Joy. The Miffy store. Is Miffy big in Europe? Any European, Yari? Dude, Miffy, big in Japan. This is, I think, Tokyo TV station. Yeah, they have this weird character. It's so weird. It looks like a duck. Oh, is that Tokyo TV station? Well, it says Tokyo Station. What is this? It's a penguin. Dude. Very cute. Sanrio shop there. Sanrio. And then there's what's this guy? Not Kamen Rider. Ultraman. Right, Yori, I heard. Yeah, man. Totally true, man. I hope, I'm sure everyone hopes he perseveres. It's a terrifying disease. That's what we're going by. Oh, One Piece shop. Oh, One Piece shop right here. That's Kamen Rider. Kamen Rider. Japan's Power Ranger, man. They have a really cool figure here. This guy. The store dedicated to just Kamen Rider? Yeah, man. Looks like section 1, section 2. And this guy, you know him, Brent? Because he's kind of like Japanese Power Rangers, you know? Hey, Paul. Do they have a Doraemon shop? Somewhere. I'm pretty sure somewhere. I don't recall. Probably. Let's see if we can find it. They have a Rilakkuma store. I've seen the Hello Kitty store. We love Doraemon. Maybe it's here. Maybe it's here. Let's look. Nice short. Thanks, Brent. I hope I find it though. I'll just keep with them Kirby store here. Kirby Cafe has been getting more popular apparently. Kirby Cafe. They've got a new menu. Holy moly! Number 1 is a Kirby cake for $10. Yeah, that did catch my eye. These are cute too. They recommend this, osusume. It's 900 yen. Looks like some kind of jelly drink. The Kirby shop, man. Very cool. What am I looking for? The Ramen, huh? What would that be? Alright, just to double check, do they have a Doraemon store? I don't see it. They have Snoopy, they have Lego Doraemon. Sorry guys. Sure, Brent. Let me check. Alright, this was a nice long walk, right? I'm Tony Paul. I'm kind of tired. It's very good to see you, Brent. And Yari, George. Clay was here for a while. And we have other friends too. Joy. And thank you guys for hanging out with me. It's been a nice one-hour walk. Rakuten Mobile is a lot more stable, but yeah, see you next time, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching. join the chat. Continue in the chat link at the top of the chat. You can join our free chat group. Bye. Tokyo Paul out. Thank you.